Have you ever been frustrated trying to plug in a USB cable, only to get it wrong again and again? If you have, you're definitely not alone. Today we're diving into why USB ports have such an annoying design, how they've evolved over the years, and what the future holds. From the early days of USB 1.0 to the latest USB-C, we'll explore the journey of this ubiquitous technology. So, sit back, relax, and join us on this fascinating ride. Welcome to Tech Pulse. It all started back in the 1990s, a time when technology was rapidly evolving and the need for a more efficient way to connect devices became apparent. Intel, led by visionary engineer Ajay Bhatt, introduced the USB, Universal Serial Bus, a groundbreaking innovation that would change the tech landscape forever. But why was it created? The answer is simple yet profound. It was meant to solve the chaotic mess of multiple connectors that dominated that era, like PS2 serial and parallel ports, which were cumbersome and confusing for users. The goal was ambitious yet clear: to create a single universal standard that could connect any device, from printers to digital cameras, seamlessly and efficiently. This is the problem. The USB-A connector was designed to be asymmetrical, meaning it only fits one way, but the design doesn't make it obvious which side is up. Even the creator, Ajay Bhatt, admitted that the design wasn't perfect. But why stick with a design that causes so much frustration? The struggle was real. Users often found themselves flipping the connector multiple times before it fit. This led to countless moments of frustration and wasted time. Bhatt acknowledged the issue, but at the time, it was the best solution available. Despite its flaws, USB-A became a standard, widely adopted across numerous devices. And so, we learned to live with it, until something better came along. The truth is, the asymmetrical design was a cost-saving measure. Making the connector reversible and easier to use would have been more expensive and complicated to manufacture at the time, so budget won over convenience. This design choice led to countless moments of frustration for users as they struggled to plug in their devices correctly. The infamous USB flip became a common experience. Despite the inconvenience, the cost-saving design allowed USB to become widely adopted, making it a standard in the tech industry. Over time, the demand for a more user-friendly design grew, leading to innovations like USB-C, which is fully reversible. The evolution of USB reflects a balance between cost, convenience, and technological advancement. What started as a cost-saving measure eventually paved the way for more innovative solutions. Today we benefit from these advancements, enjoying the ease and reliability of modern USB technology. The journey from frustration to innovation is a testament to the ever-evolving nature of technology. But thankfully, the future is brighter. With the introduction of USB-C, we finally have a more modern and practical solution. Unlike USB-A, the USB-C is reversible, meaning you can plug it in either way. No more frustration. USB-C is not just about convenience. It also supports faster data transfer speeds and higher power delivery. This means quicker charging times for your devices and the ability to connect to a wide range of peripherals. The versatility of USB-C has made it the go-to standard for many modern devices. From charging your phone to connecting external monitors, USB-C does it all. And with the growing adoption of USB-C, we can expect even more innovative uses and improvements in the future. The days of fumbling with USB-A are behind us, and the future with USB-C looks promising and efficient. USB-C isn't just reversible. It's faster, can transmit video, and even power high-end devices like laptops. It's truly the connector of today and the future. But its evolution didn't stop there. USB-C has become the universal standard for a wide range of devices, from smartphones and tablets to gaming consoles. It's not just about speed and power, it's about versatility. With USB-C hubs and adapters, you can connect multiple devices seamlessly. In cars, USB-C is used for both charging and data transfer, making it an essential part of modern connectivity. And with cables available in various colors and lengths, USB-C fits into any setup, making it the ultimate connector for all your needs. As technology advances, we're moving more and more towards wireless solutions. From wireless earbuds to wireless charging pads, the convenience and efficiency of these technologies are transforming our daily lives. Technologies like MagSafe and wireless charging are becoming increasingly popular. These innovations offer seamless and hassle-free experiences, making it easier to keep our devices powered up without the clutter of cables. Could USB's days be numbered? The frustration of tangled cables and the struggle to connect them correctly are pushing users towards wireless alternatives. While USB still has a place for now, wireless technology is quickly gaining ground. The convenience of wireless mice, keyboards, and charging stations is hard to ignore. So now that you know why USB ports are so annoying and how they always seem to defy logic, you'll never mess up plugging one in again, right? With the advent of USB-C, things have gotten a lot easier. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to Tech Pulse for more tech insights, and share this with that friend who always struggles with USB cables. Trust us, they'll thank you for it. And in the comments, let us know your most frustrating USB moment. We love hearing your stories and might even feature some in our next video. USB technology has come a long way, and it's exciting to see where it will go next. From the early days of struggling with the original USB-A to the sleek and reversible USB-C, innovation continues to drive convenience. So whether you're charging your phone, transferring data, or connecting peripherals, USB is here to stay, making our tech lives easier and more efficient. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tech evolution stories from Tech Pulse.